welcome to our new video. I am Syed Ansar, I am a networker, and today I am going to teach you about how we can earn a 1 lakh of rupees income per month in a network marketing platform named Winfinity. If you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe our channel for new updates. Here we have to create both the teams 50,000 business value from team A and team B. See, 50,000 business value from team A and from team B. From both the teams, if we get more than 50,000 business value from team A and team B, then our income should be going to be reached into the 1 lakh per month in Winfinity. So how it will have to be going to be, the plan I am going to show you right now. See, let us discuss the team A first. If you take 5 people in team A, see this 5 people. Let us give a number here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, and you have to work in the team A of 5th one. So for the support of all the peoples. By supporting all peoples only we can get the 50,000 business value. So we have to support all the peoples and you have to work in the team A network of 5th person. So this 5th number also has 2 networks, team A and team B. So we have to work in team A. So if we have to create and give to him 2500 business value in team A. Now he has to give, we have to give trainings to him that he can get 2500 business value from team B for pairing and getting an income. So for the kind information I am going to tell to you that 1 business value is equal to 2 rupees. Here we have to give him the 5,000 business turnover in team A. And he has to create another 5,000 turnover in his team B business. So by that this 2 is going to be paired and he is going to get an income. So now take number 4 right now. So if we going to tell about 4, here 5th guy maybe is team A or a team B, right? So in team A, let us assume that he is in his team A. So it is team A. Now his team from his team A is getting 5,000 business value. Now he is getting 5,000 business value from team A. Now he has to get another 5,000 business value from team B. So that is he is going to create this one, right? So from this pairing only he is getting the income. Now take assume as 3. Your team A is 4 and 5 is in team A of 3. Now in team A the total business value is created in his team A is 10,000. 10,000 business value has been created in team A by adding these two 5,000 and 5,000. They all are in team A of number 3. So right now we have to get another, he has to get another 10,000 business value from his team B, so that he is able to get the pair and he is getting that income. See here we can get 10,000 business value, right? In the same way, number 2 is also has team A and B. Now this all the peoples are in team A of this number 2. So here team A is going to get 20,000 business value from his team A. Now he has to work in his team B to get another 20,000 business value, and he has to get pair, and by this pairing these two he is able to get the income by pairing these business values. Now if we take the number 1, he is now this all the candidates and all the network in his team A or B, maybe in just one team A or B. So now he is going to get 40,000 business value in his team A. Now he has to work in his team B and he has to get 40,000 business value, right? So now you are at the top of the position, right? And you are working in all the depth of your team. By succeeding this all the peoples, they are also getting income. These incomes are, with the help of these incomes only, they are increasing the business value day to day. And then your business value is going to be above 80,000 business value is in your team A. Now another 80,000 business value and above the 50,000 business value we have to get from the team B. In the same way, see here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? This is number 2, 3, 4 and 5. And this same plan is going to get in here also. You have to work in the same way in team B. See here 2500 business value and he has to work in 2500 business value. And here he is going to get 5000 business value and he is want to work in 5000 business value in team B. The same way number 3 also going to get 10,000 business value and he has to work another 10,000 business value in another network. And same way number 2 also going to get 20,000 business value and he has to work in his team B for 20,000 business value. In the same way he is going to get 40,000 and he has to work in 40,000 business value in his team B. And above you are going to get this 80,000 business value. See, by pairing these two, here you are team A and here you are, this is your team A and this is your team B. Here you are going to get 80,000 business value, here you are going to get 80,000 business value. And now this pair can help you to get 1 lakh of your income in just 2 months in Winfinity. And in your future the passive income will going to get 1 lakh above easily per month by doing these simple tricks. But you have to be careful that in all of these cases you have to support your team and your team as well also wanted to work hard with you. And these guys has to get their incomes and they also get success. By succeeding their lives only you are going to get success. This is not the business like downlines have to work and apply and get income. You have to work in the depth of the network of you have. And depth of the network only, you have to get their people as success people. By using their success only, you are going to get the your success. So this is the teamwork you have to give. And all of the team should get success by doing these tricks. So this is a trick to how to get the 50,000 business value. And this is the trick we are showing to you. So by doing this, you can get easily 1 lakh of rupees income in the network marketing and the platform like Winfinity. So it's a very simple and you can do it by just 1 to 2 months just to work on it and just to maintain that the business value can be gained to get day to day life and you are going to get more business values in coming months. So this is our plan we are showing you. This is a plan how we can get 1 lakh of rupees income in Winfinity per month by doing this trick. So if you haven't watched the previous business plan, so go through my previous video and I am providing the link in the description box. And if you want to join our team name is Team Winning. And for contact, we are providing the contact and description box. Go through the description box and contact us. And we are ready to support you. And we all are going to get the success by doing the teamwork. Thank you for watching and like and subscribe our channel.